Hello, Bill Beavers again from No BS Investing Tips. Today I have a great stock tip for you. I get asked all the time, what companies do I recommend, what stocks do I recommend that people own today, and it always comes back to the same answer. The reason people own individual stocks is because they believe it's going to outperform the broader market, say the S&P 500. If they own a stock that's in the S&P 500, they think it's going to do better than that. And the challenge is, owning an individual stock, you have twice as much risk with about the same expected return over time. You also have a different type of risk. You not only have the market risk, where the market itself is going to go down, or could decline, but you have something unique to that individual stock that may happen to that company that would be bad news, specifically where it would cause it to decline also. So owning an individual stock as opposed to owning the S&P 500 or a broader market index, you have twice as much risk with possibly the same expected return. Now, the way you can lower your risk, obviously, is to own more stock, more individual stock. And the best way to do that is within a mutual fund. And the best type of mutual fund that you should own would be an index fund. An index fund would own like all the companies in the S&P 500, or a broader market index that may have 1,200 to 1,300 different companies in it. That way you can lower your risk. The other thing is with owning, being a prudent investor, so to speak, is it's not really sexy. Being a prudent investor is rather boring. It's not something that you talk about at parties. You say, I own the broader market index, as opposed to saying, I own this great individual stock, this company I just bought, that's an up-and-coming technology company, biotech firm, or whatever. It's not quite as boring as being a prudent investor. However, are you trying to be sexy, or are you trying to build wealth in your portfolio? And if you're going to be in the market, you should be in the broader market. So my suggestion to you today, my stock tip for the day is, sell your individual stocks and possibly buy the market index. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to even lower the risk further by proper asset allocation. So until next time, have a great day.